Okay, 1952 Chevy 5 window. Day one. It's got a long journey ahead of it. I know you are. I know you are. Blanco's 54, 1952 Chevy 5 window. So yeah, it's going to Fort Wayne. C4 suspension's going on. LS engine's going in there. A lot of work needs to be done. Go look underneath. Whoa, what kind of bumper is that? There's a lot of work that needs to be done. But beautiful patina. Warren would be proud. Warren would be happy. Finishing it up. Guessing this is the prettier side of it, right here. But you're like, oh, let's see the inside. All right, let's go ahead and see the inside. Oh my God. Well, the seat's in there. A lot of work needs to be done. The mirror's there. That's a start. No back window. We got to do the back window. It's got a windshield though, and it needs a passenger or a driver's side window. Look at that patina. So you got the C4 suspension, upper and lower control arms, brakes, rotors, and spindles. Another fender. Some leaf springs.